Hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to do audio editing in Clipchamp. So Clipchamp has a content library. You can pick a lot of things here, and my tip is for you to fully utilize this and add audio clips here, so without downloading. So let's head straight to the tutorial. As you can see here, there's like handles here. You can shorten the video or elongate it here by the start or the end if you just want a specific audio, and you can split it in two halves if you want something in between. So let's say you want like audio clip here before you want the other clip here, so you can just judgment, then you can just continue it after. And also, if you want to elongate this and you want to appear it to be slower, you can adjust the speed, but it's gonna sound a bit weird, see. And you can also do the reverse. You can fasten it and also make it shorten it by making it faster right there. And also, you're not my tip is you're not really limited to the audio that the library gives to you. You can add your own stuff like this, and you can also fully take advantage of this because there's like a lot of items here that are free without the premium. And my tip here is when video audio editing is the importance of your audio. So you can see here there's like a bunch of noises here, and you can just shorten it to get to the exact moment that you want. And you can also do like fade in and fade out if you want. If you don't want the audio to just like cut, you can like add a fade out, which gradually lowers the volume as you reach the end of the clip, the sound clip. And you can also put a fade in, which is not gonna instantly start the audio, but gradually rises the volume so it sounds more natural. So it sounds really really nice. And yeah, guys, that's my tutorial in audio editing. And you can also do noise suppression if you are using like a voiceover like mine. So that's how you use the audio editing in Clipchamp. If you guys like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. And as always, I'll see you guys the next one. Bye bye.